Parts of Colorado are digging out after this massive spring snowstorm. Several alerts in effect here, including a winter storm warning for the Denver area. You can see that heavy snow sticking to trees right around Boulder. Heavy wet snow also hit the Rocky Mountains. You can see thick snow blanketing cars and homes in Estes Park. The snow is expected to keep falling through this afternoon. And although the storm is very strong for this time of year, experts say it is not likely to end a historic snow drought that led ski resorts to close earlier than usual this year.